Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles. This is their Watermelon Taffy Bubble Scoop. And how you use these is you set it on the drain and let the water run over it. You can also put it in like a mesh bag and hang it over the faucet as well. Or you can pick it up and kind of crumble it and help it break apart. It is making bubbles, but it's very hard to see on camera. They were very small, light, frothy bubbles. These cost $5 on their website, and there's a variety of scents to pick from. They all looked like they would smell good, but watermelon is a scent I absolutely love. So I picked the Watermelon Taffy one, and it smelled so much like watermelon. It was so nice to have something actually smell like what it's supposed to smell like and have those fruity scents. So I really enjoyed it. It was also super moisturizing as well. But after I let it run for a while, I did pick it up and kind of squeeze it. Almost has like a Play-Doh consistency. And you just rub it under the water or over the running water, and that helps kind of make some of the bubbles. And it did give off a very light pink color as well. It's very fun to play with, I will say that. I was expecting more bubbles because I have used bubble bars and bubble scoops in the past, and they made a ton of bubbles. This one, it was real mild, but again, very moisturizing, smelled wonderful, so not really upset by it. Just give it a little bit of bubbles in the tub. This is kind of what it looked like at the end. Little light bubbles. But yeah, you could splash your arm around and hand around in the water and kind of help make some more. But I was content with it. I thought it smelled wonderful. And they have some really awesome products. I love their bath bombs, and I do have a playlist. So if you guys want to see their other products and other items they have, make sure you check out my playlist. I also have a link below and a promo code if you'd like to order something. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.